Good morning, friends. Today's we are going to explain here a diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. That means diagonal relationships of first and second group element. That is the S block element. In the previous video, we are explaining the comparative study of a S block element. Now, after the comparative study, the next topic is the diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. In the periodic table, the diagonally placed element in the periodic table, the diagonally placed elements have almost similar atomic radius. आप अच्छे से ध्यान में रखो. In the periodic table, the diagonally placed element, how the diagonally, here the indication is given here. The diagonally placed element have almost similar atomic radius, similar ionization potential and electronegativity. Therefore, these elements shows similar chemical property. This tendency is called as the diagonal relationship. That means tendency of a diagonally placed element to show similar chemical property. Why they are showing similar chemical property? Because they have similar atomic radius, ionization potential and electronegativity. So the diagonally placed element shows a similar chemical behavior. This tendency is called as the diagonal relationship. For example, lithium and magnesium are diagonally placed element. Lithium and magnesium are diagonally placed element. They resembles more in its property. That means this element shows nearly same properties. Similarly, beryllium also show similarity with aluminium. Some points are given here about their atomic radii polarizing power. The first point is that the atomic radii and electronegativities of lithium and magnesium are quite comparable. Atomic radii and electronegativity of lithium and magnesium are quite comparable. Second one point is the polarizing power of lithium monopositive ion and magnesium dipositive ion are high. Third one point is that lithium and magnesium have higher melting point. That means both these elements have higher melting point. Lithium have a 1336 degree centigrade and magnesium have 1100 degree centigrade. Now the next property is that both the lithium and magnesium decompose water slowly. Both lithium and magnesium metal decompose water slowly to liberate H2 gas. Now the next property, lithium and magnesium react with nitrogen and form their ionic nitrides like Li3n, Mg3n2. That means both these elements form nitride. Next property is that lithium and magnesium when burnt in air form only monoxide. Lithium monoxide and magnesium monoxide respectively. That means Li2O and MgO respectively. And last one property is that both these elements on heating with a dry Cl2, both the element on heating with dry Cl2 form their chloride. Lithium chloride, that is LiCl, magnesium chloride, MgCl2, which have similar properties. That means these both element, if both the elements are react with other reactant, then it gives like similar substance. Atomic radii and electronegativity of both elements are same. Polarizing power high, melting point is also high. They decompose water slowly and liberate hydrogen gas. When they react with nitrogen, they give the nitride. When they react with air or oxygen, then it gives monoxide. And both these elements when react with chlorine, that means nitrogen gas, oxygen gas and chlorine gas, when these element lithium and magnesium elements react with nitrogen, oxygen and chlorine, then this element shows nearly similar chemical behavior. After that, here we are again explain the hydrides of alkali and alkaline earth metal. Hydrides, what is meant by hydrides? Now here explain about the hydrides of alkali and alkaline earth metal. The first A group metal, that is alkali metal, when react with hydrogen to form ionic or salt like hydride, M positive H negative. First A group metal like lithium, sodium, potassium, these first A group element is called as a alkali metal. When they react with hydrogen, they form the ionic or salt like hydride. The important properties of hydrides are given here. The first one, the hydrides of alkali. In the hydrides of alkali metal, the first point is that among the alkali metal hydride, lithium hydride is the most stable, while the stability decreases down the group. Lithium hydride is a more stable, while the stability decreases down the group. When we move from top to bottom in a group, that means lithium to cesium, the stability of hydride is decreases. Now the second point, lithium hydride is least ionic, while the ionic character increases down the group. Lithium hydride is least ionic, so the ionic character is also increases down the group. Third one, they react with water. And gives a corresponding hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen. When the lithium hydride react with water, then it gives a lithium hydroxide and liberation of hydrogen gas takes place. Fourth point is that they are a strong reducing agent. They are strong reducing agent due to the presence of hydrogen. Cesium hydride is the strongest reducing agent. The strength of reducing, that means here we says that the strength of reducing agent is increases from lithium to cesium. Ionic character increases. Similarly, the reducing properties, that means cesium hydride is the strongest reducing agent. Now the next property is that lithium form complex hydride. Lithium also form complex hydride like lithium aluminum hydride, while the sodium form NaBH4, that means sodium borohydride. Here LiAlH4, that means lithium and sodium element can form a complex hydride like lithium aluminum hydride, and the sodium forms sodium borohydride. Now after the alkali metal hydride, we are again taking some points of alkaline earth metal. The first point, what is meant by the alkaline earth metal? The alkaline earth metal are second A group element. These elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium. The alkaline earth metal, that means second A group metal form hydride of MH2 type. First A group element form hydride MH type, and the second A group element form hydride MH2 type. The second point is that beryllium hydride preparation, BH2 preparation, is difficult but and is less stable than the other. Beryllium hydride preparation is difficult and is less stable than the other. Why? Because it is a covalent. Beryllium hydride preparation is difficult and is less stable than the other. Why? Because it is a covalent. After the second point, third point is that the magnesium hydride is a partly covalent. Magnesium hydride is a partly covalent and partly ionic compound, while the calcium hydride, strontium hydride, and barium hydride are ionic solid. So calcium hydride, when react with water, then it gives calcium hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. When the calcium hydride react with water, then it gives calcium hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. The calcium hydroxide is hydrolyzed by water, gives the corresponding hydroxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. So in this video we are explaining first a diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. After that we are again explain the hydrides of alkali metal as well as alkaline earth metal. तो इस प्रकार से इस वीडियो में हमने अपनी तरफ से आपके ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने की कोशिश की है। तो आप भी दिए हुए नोट्स अच्छे से पढ़ें और ये जो टॉपिक आपको पढ़ाया है वो अच्छे से समझ ले, और जो गूगल फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन दिए हैं उनके आप आंसर ज़रूर देंगे, यही आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू।